Hey guys, this is part two to the angle sensor BMW steering wheel angle sensor replacement tip video number two. When you're reinstalling your new one and you get the steering column line backed up, you're going to have to knock this thing back into place. Now you just spent time knocking it off. You can see here you spent time knocking it off, so now putting it back on, you have to slide this back on and then tap it this way in order to get it sleeved on there. You're not just going to be able to pull it on there. So what I did was I just got my big hammer here, turned it around a narrow way so it would fit, and then just tapped it on each side repeatedly until it slid into place. Also, when taking apart the clip, you're going to want to use one of your pins. If you got anything that has a sharp end on it, use that right into the back of there, into that hole, or into the front, on the other side of the clip, on the male receptor. There's a little pin right there at the tip that you press down, but it's so small that you're going to have to use that either way. So either put this in the hole or push the clip down with something real small, or you're going to be there all day trying to squeeze it. That's the end of my tips. I'm going to finish. I already got my clamp in there. There's that little bitty pin right there. I'm going to secure my wires and screw it back together, and I'm done. That's the end of my tip number two. I try and keep it short. I hope it helps you. Mr. Meadows, talk to you later.